Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you currently live in West Virginia and love bird songs and currently looking for a bird book that will help you with bird identification and all the things about birds? If you are native to West Virginia and love birds, then the Birds West Virginia Field Guide will be the perfect companion for you. This is a field guide which is prepared by Stan Tikyala and is a great companion to the Birds of West Virginia audio CD. Now you can learn how to identify birds because this item offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. This item also offers an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this book. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, or library. This item is a real pleasure to have. The long wait is over. You can have the Birds West Virginia Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.